Alright, we've got this Philips air fryer that I want to review. Had it for a few months now. Obviously the outlet is here. Connects to the back there. Little ventilation spot there. Then we have the two front knobs here. The top one is how many minutes you want to set the timer for. Once you set it, it turns on. So yeah, so over here, set for a minute. Turn off in a minute, and then you can control the degrees here, the temperature, to whatever you want. At the top there's a bit of a cheat sheet on how long you should cook things. Let's just turn it off for now. And then you can open up by pressing this button. And this is a good size for two people, up to two people. Put a couple of chicken breasts in there, probably 2 to 3 servings of chips, put some nuggets in there. If you have a big family, you probably want a bigger size, but this is perfect for a single or a duo. And it's really easy to clean because you can just take out this basket really easily, like that, and you can wash that and you can wipe that down as well. You can also get those papers, disposable papers that you can cook with, that you can to avoid having to clean. So, but, let's put that back in. Easy to go, and yeah, pretty good little gadget, and doesn't use oil. Pretty healthy, and it's good for people that work a lot and don't have much time to cook and want to be healthy at the same time.